Hey, my name is William, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the shift actuator on a Maytag washer. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we'll need a 5/16" socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your appliance before you do any work on it to protect yourself from electric shock, which can potentially cause serious injuries.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water.
To get to the shift actuator, we can lean the washer to the left. I'm setting this washer on its side so you can easily see what I'm doing. With a 5/16" socket, we are going to remove the belt shield bolts and set the shield off to the side. From here, we need to disconnect the wire harness from the actuator by pressing on this lock tab and pulling the connector out. Now we can remove the Phillips head screws. At this point, we can set the old shift actuator to the side and set the new one in place. When installing the new actuator, make sure to line the shift arm with the clutch arm before securing the actuator with the Phillips screws.
Now that it is secured, we can plug the wire connector back in, and then
we are going to install the belt shield to get this section put back together.
Once that is finished, go ahead and put the washer back on its base. Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
You made a great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments, and if you haven't got a replacement shift actuator yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.